looking for a simple woodworking project you can finish today? In this video, I'll show you how to make a rustic phone stand using just a few pieces of scrap wood, no fancy tools needed, and you can do it all in under 30 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a handsaw or miter saw, some sandpaper, wood glue, and optional stain or paint for finishing. The wood piece should be around 8 by 4 inches. Simple tools, professional results. Start by cutting your wood into 2 pieces. The base should be 4 by 4 inches, and the backrest should be 4 by 6. This gives your stand the perfect angle for watching videos or charging your phone. Always measure twice and cut once. Next, grab some sandpaper and smooth out every edge. Round off the corners if you like that clean, handmade look. This step makes all the difference in giving your stand a professional finish. Now it's time to assemble. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to the bottom edge of the back piece and attach it to the base. Hold it in place or use a clamp while it sets. If you want to get fancy, drill a small hole through the base for your charging cable. Let the glue dry for at least 15 minutes. Once the glue's dry, it's time to bring your project to life. Add a rustic stain for that farmhouse look, or go bold with your favorite color paint. The choice is yours, and every version looks great. And here it is, your handmade rustic phone stand, perfect for watching videos, keeping your desk organized, or charging your phone in style. Not bad for a few scraps of wood, right? If you enjoyed this simple woodworking project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for free woodworking plans and more beginner projects. Thanks for watching, and happy building.